Got a lot of wind behind it, that's for sure.
Yeah, you can take off from anywhere.
25%. 50%. Gear up. 50%. 50%. 50%.
Right.
Look at those. You're on fire.
0.
Looking good.
I like the wide stance on that.
25-0.
I said we go find a screwdriver, JD, and we try to straighten that wheel out.
Okay. What kind of what?
On the table.
Number 2.5.
Screwdriver's on the table.
%. 50%. Gear up. 0.
The Corsair is my hardest one for me.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you dead stick, Johnny?
25%. 50%. 25%. 50%.
Whoa!
50%.
I love not crashing.
Yeah.
A retread. Sure. That was the attention dive for you, Johnny.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it is. Australia's got a team that flies them. It's a badass receiver.
Very nice.
Very good. I'm just playing in the grass right now.
Limit disengaged. 50%. 25%. 50%.
Alright. Head straight and level, and it's yours.
Zero. 25%. 50%. 50%. 0. 8, 7, 6, 0. 25 to 50%. 25 to 50%. G limit disengaged. Zero. 25%. 50%. 50%.
Out of your
limit
system.
disengaged 50%. 30 seconds. 25%. 5. 0. 23. 2. 0.
Did you see that craziness? You still got it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Yep,
Timer
couldn't do it.
stop.
Terrible.
Timer start.
Jesus Christ.
It's only it just looks out of control.
Here you go.
All right, cover contest. You can probably do that. Freddy's got the shoes.
I wonder, does this plane fly back upside down? Let me see.
You think it does. Got a flat bottom wing.
Should.
You do okay.
It was tail heavy, I think, with that light battery. I had it
Timer
shoved all the
start.
way up
Timer
front.
stop.
Nice job.
Yeah, see?
A little more headwind there.
Too timid with it earlier. Oh no, leave it, Jay, because I want to mess with this. I got to figure out what I just did.